Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pedro. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. In today's video, we're going to get to do a quick review of this 2022 Ford Explorer King Ranch Edition. Now, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to Bartow Ford for allowing me some time with this Explorer King Ranch. Now, obviously, guys, this it's a special vehicle. Obviously, the King Ranch designation basically comes from the Texas Ranch in Kingsville, Texas. Obviously, they have a good, Ford's got a partnership with them. So, what makes this King Ranch special? Obviously, the interior is what basically outdoes anything on this King Ranches. Obviously, it's got special Del Rio leather inside, which we'll check out in just a few moments. But that's basically what the majority of the King Ranch special. They got special interior, obviously a little bit of exterior details as well. So we're gonna check out in just a few moments. But so here we go, guys. Well, this King Ranch Explorer, obviously this is finished off in agate black, which is a really nice black color. So what makes this King Ranch special differently? This King Ranch is equipped with the 20-inch specific wheels. As you can see, some nice aluminum wheels with the M running logo from the King Ranch there, as you can see in the middle. Really nice wheels. These are wrapped around 255mm Pirelli Scorpion Zero all-season tires. We got the King Ranch model. As you can see here, we have the King Ranch logo here, established in 1853, which is a really cool, and you get that running M, why they call the King Ranch logo. Really nice. Obviously, this Explorer being a little more, the luxurious side. Of course, you got some chrome trim. You got a little bit of black top trim across the windows. We do have those aluminum rails as well on the roof. So coming here to the front, guys, we do have LED lights, LED fog lights. We have that special bronze. As you can see, the grill on this Ford Explorer is a little different, basically unique to this King Ranch. But other than that, it's not really a lot of changes. As you can see, the nice hood, the way it is. I apologize, it's a little bit dirty. This one here is a black color, so it attracts a lot of things. So check it out, guys. Really nice the way this Explorer looks. Obviously, this is one of the top trims of the Explorer besides the Platinum. So this basically come fully equipped, except for a few items. This one is basically a rear-wheel drive model. You can get them on all-wheel drive, and also this one, they're basically almost fully loaded. This one just has basically the $1,700 panoramic sunroof. That's an option on this one, and also the trailer tow package as well is equipped on this one. Now, since we've done quite a bit of Explorers, I'm not going to go in detail of a lot of things, but as you can see, we got the King Ranch logo as well. Here we got the chrome Explorer on the back here, and we've got the chrome exhaust tips as well. As you can see, guys, we got the trailer hitch ready to go. Here your hitch, 5,600 pounds is what this Explorer can do with this 3-liter turbocharged V6 that this Explorers come with. As you can see, guys, we have the key, no King Ranch logo or anything like that. So we got just basically automatic start besides the opening and close, and we have basically double click to open up the rear hatch. So you can see we get a backup camera here, guys. Awesome room for this Explorer. I'll put all the how big this basically interior is of the Explorer here in the back. Of course, it's basically this is a 6-seater Ford Explorer. You can make them 7 with a bench here. This one has the captain chairs as well. So as you can see, guys, we got that kind of a dark I would say color, brown colors on this one. It's gonna be part of the interior of this King Ranch edition. That's basically what the color is, quite different than the regular ones. So as you can see, we got rear power seats here, plenty of space here in the back. We got some more storage here on the bottom. We do have a spare tire here underneath as well. And besides that, we have a basically sofa here, part of the Bang & Olufsen system that we have on this Explorer that comes with this one. Lots of hooks, lots of things here. We have your controls for your basically your third row seats, and we have also a 12-volt connection. So, but it's a pretty good size room, really nice for the Explorer. Obviously, it's a mid-size, basically a sport utility or SUV, so got plenty of room for all your things here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put that down, guys. You can see we got some of that brown here, and obviously just pressing that brings the hatch back down. So, but there we go, guys, for the rear of this Explorer. All right, guys, so checking out the special interior of this King Ranch model. Now, this is basically a Mesa Noria Del Rio leather that comes with this King Ranch models, and this is basically the Achilles heel of this King Ranch models, this special interior. Obviously, we got various different colors, all kind of Western interior colors. As you can see, we got a mix of like a light tan with a brown. We got aluminum, which is really nice. I mean, Ford's done a really good color. Ford's done a really good job with all the combination of colors. We got some more storage here on the bottom. As you can see, guys, here we got the captain's chairs, which is really nice. Obviously, you see you got the running M logo here for the King Ranch. Really cool. These are really cool seats, are perforated seats, as you can see. Really nice what they are. So let's go ahead and jump in real quick here. So as you can see, guys, plenty of room here. You can adjust these seats basically manually here. Move a little bit back. So as you can see, we got some storage here, pockets. We got USB connections here, 3-prong, and some, there we go for you guys. There's no third zone AC in the back here. This basically does not include that with it here. So we do have a little bit of cup holders here as well for your second row passengers, and these are not heated or anything like that. So just a really quick interior, guys. As you can see, this one is option off with the panoramic sunroof. Here we got your interior. As you can see, much different color than the other Explorer. Most of them are black. This one here has that special Mesa interior of this King Ranch Explorer, so we'll check out in just a few moments, guys. But really nice. I mean, obviously everything's done really well. Of course, you get your back seats here, and we have basically a black headliner here. As you can see, we got some lights and all that stuff, but it's really nice, guys. Almost the same as all the Explorers I have done before. So let's go ahead, guys, and get up to the front. All right, guys, before we go, let's go ahead and do a quick checkout of this engines for this Explorer King Ranch. We're just gonna go ahead and raise the hood, and oh, we got no hydraulic assistance here. So being even the top one of the Ford top models, they give you no hydraulic assistance, which is a little odd. Obviously you're paying almost 60. This one's a $50,000 model. I think for sure put some hot struts on this one, at least some hydraulic struts. All right, guys, so here we have the 3-liter EcoBoost engine. This is a twin turbo V6 producing 400 horsepower, 415 pound-feet of torque. This is just going to the rear-wheel drive on this model. This is just a rear-wheel drive model. You can also get four-wheel drive as well, and you get a 10-speed automatic transmission pairing this engine. So obviously really nice. We get basically a spin strut here, you can see, to give a little more rigidity, but then just tucked down in the middle there and more into the center of the vehicle, so giving you a little bit of better handling. But this is basically one of the power plants. Now this one you cannot get with the hybrid model. Obviously you get a 3.3 liter V6 normally aspirated with the hybrid motors. That's part of the options of the Explorers, or the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder. The King Ranch is only available with this 3-liter twin turbo engine. So if you wanted like basically a hybrid King Ranch, Ford does not offer it. So basically this is the only motor you can get with the King Ranch. You have to go to the Platinum one to go basically hybrid or just the V6, but most of the lower trim models you can get with the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine. So all right, guys, let's go ahead and bring this down, put a little hood strut there, and drop the hood of this King Ranch. All right, so heading into the driver's side of this King Ranch. So as you can see, we have plenty of really soft, really nice soft leather. Really cool what all that is here. You know, the mix of aluminum and this kind of Western, you know, themed color, it's really, really nice. We got the aluminum covered speaker grills as well, some more here surrounding the door handle. Here we have all the controls for your windows and mirrors as well. And we have more pockets here as well. As you can see, this is more like a darkish brown interior. Not for everybody, I think, but it's really nice anyway. So as you can see, guys, here we have the King Ranch logo floor mats. Here we have on your door sill or on the scuff plate the Explorer name. We got 10-way adjustable power seats here with as you can see, the seats are super nice here. We have the King Ranch logo here, as you can see. Really, really nice what that has done. So even here, all the dash and everything's got a little bit of a lighter stitching here. As you can see, the steering wheel is also in that brown color with a bit of wood. This is real wood leather as well. This is basically your Noria wood that comes with this Explorer. And you can see, guys, power assisted tilt and telescopic steering wheel. We got all kinds of lights and everything else. So, and of course we got the King Luma wrench as well here on the center armrest as well. So let's go ahead, guys, and get inside of this Explorer. So, all right, guys, inside of this Explorer, let's go ahead and get that engine turned on, because it's quite hot day today in Central Florida. We're above 90 degrees and the humidity is like being in a sauna today. So we got everything lighting up here. I'm going to go ahead and drop the steering wheel just a little bit and drop a little bit of the volume here for the radio, just for a little bit low in gas. So as you can see, guys, here basically the same interior as the other Explorers. Obviously this is, you know, fully loaded model, but I really love the interior. The King Ranch models are awesome. This is something also very similar to what you will find in an F-150, and also I want to see if I can get my hands on a Expedition King Ranch as well. It should be kind of the same interiors as well, same Tampa theme as what it basically is. So you can see the aluminum, all that really does a great job of you know, being something different of the interior. Obviously completely different. This is the only interior that this is the only way this interior is going to come with this King Ranch. No other one. The other ones are, of course, are black, but this is really cool. I really love this, you know, really nice real wood that comes with this one. This is like a Noria's wood. That's what Ford states. So the rest of it, we got a bit of a piano trim here in the middle. Of course, you got a 10-inch screen Sync 3 system still on this one. Dual zone AC. We got heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, all the great stuff that comes basically with all these Explorers. Let's go ahead, guys, and close the door. Get a little bit more of a AC going here. Let's go ahead and put on our seat belts, because we're going to go out for a little quick test drive. So let's just adjust the seat a little bit here. So because, guys, we've been through this interior before. We've got a 10-inch screen. Of course, we got all kinds of things to read. This has got navigation as well, so as you can see. And this girl here as well comes with We got a 14 speaker Bang & Olufsen system that comes with this Explorer King Ranch. Here, guys, we got your 12-inch screen here in the middle. This is a digital screen, which is really nice. Gives you all kinds of information. We also got some driving modes as well. So if we switch here, we got, as you can see, we got normal, we got eco, we got sport, we got tow and haul. Now remember, this is only a 4x2 model. This is not an all-wheel drive model, but Ford is still great. Gives you, you know, some basically some driving modes as well. We're gonna leave it in we just leave it in normal. I don't have a ton of gas to step on it quite a bit, but you know, so this is basically mostly your interior of this Explorer Sport, and the interior is really nice. I mean, the leather is super really fine feeling here as well. You know, we got the wood here with a bit of aluminum, the King Ranch logo there as well. So really awesome the way this interior of this Explorer is. So basically that's what it is, guys. You know, obviously this is what Ford King Ranch gives you. This is basically the cream of the crop of interiors as well. So over here, guys, we got, of course, the panoramic sunroof. We got your sunglass holder, all the same type of things that you get with the regular Explorers. We got a black headliner, as I mentioned, a bit of a home link as well here. So really nice what this one is. So that's this one here. They start just under 50, I think just about $55,000, and this one with a sunroof and a few options is option up to just over $58,000, like $58,080 is what this Explorer costs. So obviously you can get probably a little bit more options on it, but other than that, this is pretty much fully done. So as you can see, guys, really nice. Love the way this feels. And let's go ahead and go out for a quick drive. So as you can see, guys, this one is equipped with the 360-degree camera. This does have Ford's Co-Pilot 360 Plus as well. That's part of this King Ranch packages, or basically options. So we got blind spot monitoring mirrors. We got basically lane assist, basically lane change, all that kinds of great things that Ford Co-Pilot gives you. And of course, here we got surrounding camera. So as you can see, we got obviously the camera is. Then we have the parking right now. So as you can see, guys, the camera here has done a really job. We got trajectory lens, we got the sensors as well, as you can hear, and we got all kinds of camera angles that you can do. So you guys see you got plenty of the sensors here, front and rear as well. Of course, the 360 camera. So awesome system to back up, especially if you're towing a trailer or anything like that. So, but all right, let's go ahead, guys, and put this on D. And we don't have a ton of gas, but we're just going to head and go out and experience this 3-liter twin turbo V6. So as you guys, I've already driven the Ford Explorer ST, so you guys pretty much know about, you know, how this engine drives. Obviously this has just a regular suspension. This is tuned for comfort. Obviously this is not tuned for sport like the ST model is. And of course I just the latest review I did on another Explorer was the ST line Explorer. You'll see that video, guys, if you browse the channel. So I wanted to give you this Explorer. So obviously this is the first time I'm inside a King Ranch model. I really like it, really nice what it is. Obviously you can see all the trim here as well. It really feels really nice. The steering wheel, I'm not a big fan of this kind of more brownish color, but the interior, this is really nice. The seats are fantastic, and really a fantastic looking interior wise. And a lot of people love the King Ranch model, so whether it's a 150, 250, or this models as well. So okay, let's go ahead and so this being a rear-wheel drive model, obviously we got no all-wheel drive. This is, you know, an option you can get with this models, but here in Florida you really won't need anything else. And of course we got the cool seats, which feel fantastic in this hot weather. It says 88 Fahrenheit, but I think it seems a little hard because the humidity is really horrible. It's like a sauna outside, but that's just typical Florida summer. So really nice Explorer. I mean, this is more of a comfort, you know, more of a looker. You know, you got a fantastic interior, you got the powerful engine, you got various driving modes. So, and we're on basically on normal mode, but you know, I just want to give you guys a quick touch. So we've done quite a bit of big Explorers. This ride's very smooth, you know, much more smoother than Forza and ST. ST is focused on performance driving. This King Ranch basically got the regular suspension at the platinum as the other ones, but super smooth, very quiet. The steering is a little bit light and not much of a feeling, but it goes where you want it to be, as I mentioned in another Explorers. But I really love the way this Explorers feel. They feel super nice, comfortable. You got a lot of amenities. This 10-inch screen is really nice. You know, what sort of you expect from a higher end Explorer? Obviously it's much more quiet. I don't think they put any different type of Sunday night materials or anything like that. This is just basically more of like a the King Ranch Platinum Edition basically is what it is. So except for the exterior different you know, except for the exterior different exterior touches that they do for this King Ranch. So but it's really nice interior nonetheless, guys, and this feels super nice and comfortable and very, you know, very upscale as well. So I really like the way this Explorers feel. Obviously here you have also, you know, automatic hold, the engine can shut off as well, all that kinds of great things as well here besides the drive modes. I have everything turned off as well right now, so I mean you can definitely have your foot off the brake here if you want to wait on auto hold, so we can definitely go here. So really nice. Obviously you got all the modern features. This is pretty much got everything you can put on an Explorer, except of course this even got the sunroof, so they still leave some options as well. Some people don't like a sunroof, so that's an option for you as well. But other than that, I don't think there's much more you can add to this Explorer King Ranch model, so the trim. But let's go ahead guys and turn here so we can do a little quicker drive of this Explorer. So really nice guys. I mean, this just drives super nice. I mean, it's a very comfortable SUV, 7-passenger. Well, this one's a 6-passenger, but you can definitely, you know, put, you know, 7 people here comfortably. But it's, you know, it's a great little hauler. I mean, it's a great little family ride of an SUV. You know, what else you can go and ask for? So nobody coming. So as you can see, this is just, yes, it's nice and take off. So yeah, it's got some good power. You know, even in regular mode, it feels pretty peppy as well. Got a lot of good power. So yeah, basically what is this going to be? You know, who's going to buy this? People who like a little bit more of a, you know, more of a upscale interior of Explorer. So as you can see, this pretty much goes nice. Yes, yeah, that's V6 twin turbo, king or wrong with this engine. So. But hope you guys enjoy. This is a really nice Explorer for King Ranch. And obviously if we switch modes, I think we're allowed to switch modes here. If we go to Sport, we got slippery. Let's go back to Sport, and we should get a tachometer here. Obviously the instrumentation switching, and we should get that digital tachometer. It's similar to the Explorer ST. So there we go guys. You can see different gauges going on depending on your driving. Now of course now the revs are the gears are held a little bit higher, and everything's done to a little more responsive throttle and everything like that. So but super nice guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick drive of this Explorer King Ranch. I really like it. If you guys like this type of content guys, please subscribe, you know, to support the channel by subscribing. Hit the like button guys. Thank you for your support, and not to have subscribed. So really nice. I love this interior, super nice. This Explorer, what it gives you for $58,000. Obviously it's nothing to sneeze at, but you know, it's quite a bit of SUV for the money for sure. So you got all kinds of amenities. Of course, you got your Sync 3 system here with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also got, I believe, we also got Alexa capability as well. Of course, you got the big, you know, your big screen here, and you know, lots of little things that, you know, the Ford Explorer gives you, especially for this price. So, but again, here we go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review of this Ford Explorer S King Ranch. So let me know if you think it's worth it. If it's, you know, something everybody likes, let me know what you think of this interior. I mean, it's something different that everybody's like, but I like it. It's an interesting touch. Love the wood trim and everything as well. So all right guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you to all that have subscribed. Remember guys, subscribe, hit the like button, help me out, support the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.